Hello and welcome back to our channel. Since 2019, we have been not on this, even though it's a roller coaster of financial independence, learning as we go. And we have been sharing our journey to financial independence on this channel since 2020. We are getting close to 3 years.
Yeah, almost 3 years. And we're 106 days away from reaching financial independence, which is crazy when you think back to the very first videos we were debating back and forth. Was it going to even be 2024? We originally thought it was going to be 2028. We're going to give you our financial independence dividend income update for August of 2021. As you know, we're planning to achieve FIRE in 2024 or 2028. And part of the way we're doing that is through dividend income. But just over the course of learning more and more and saving and investing as much as we could, we were able to get it down to 2024. And here we are, 106 days away.
106 days away, and we share our journey to financial independence. Maybe we can be inspired by what we have been doing. Even though we are not planning to, let's say, retire early, which is our case, take control of your finances, take control of your life. So that's the most important part. As a result, we come up here and we share with you, are transparent about our financial situation, and we share the net worth calculation every single month. And why do we do that?
So I have a bit of a cold medication thing going on right now. So if I'm a little slow, that's what it is. So the net worth, oh my goodness, the net worth, all it is just a checkup of our financial well-being, right? Are we on the right track? Are we trending in the right direction? Which we hope is up.
Yes, it is gonna, we hope it is gonna be up. Here's how we divided our video. We talk about our assets, then our liabilities. At the end, we have the net worth calculation, and we share with you some of the things that happened in November. We are gonna need your help. Please do stick until the end of this video, or use the chapters below to jump to the end of the video, because that's when you're gonna ask you a question that we need your support.
Yeah.
Oh, it's me? I can keep talking. Let's talk about assets. Yeah, she's really...
Sorry, guys. It's a bit of a doozy of a cold here. First thing we're going to talk about is our assets. Like always, our real estate asset has not changed at this point, $1,110,000. That includes the house here in Toronto, as well as our condo in Brazil.
The second asset that we have is the pension that Christine is supposed to receive once she turns 50. Yes, there is going to be some changes to Christine's pension. There are a few videos that we already talked about the subject, but we decided to keep the same amount, which it has been $34,054.
Yeah, just so it didn't skew the numbers for the year, right? We didn't want to change anything up before the end of the year.
Yeah.
The next one is our investment accounts, which are the RRSPs, TFSAs, and the corporate margin account. And that, for the month of November, came in at $561,104.
Yeah, the other accounts that we have, which is a margin account where we invest the equity of our home here in Canada. By the way, we are Canadians. Where we invest the equity of our home, and we buy stocks, and it's called here in Canada the Smith maneuver. We ended the month with $181,089.
So adding all of the assets up, that came out to $1,886,247 for November.
Yeah. Great number so far. Was it the case with you? I believe so. Probably. Yeah. So kind of a hint of what is going to happen once we do the net worth calculation. But before that, we have to talk about our liability. The only liability that we have as of today, and it's going to be the only one, is the principal residence, that the house that we live here in Canada. And we ended the month with $752,514. That's the only one.
Yeah, so doing that whole net worth calculations, we're going to take our assets of $1,886,080. Oh my goodness, cold meds. $1,886,247. Subtract the liabilities of $752,514. Our net worth for November of 2023 came out to $1,110,000. $133,733.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. It is finally up. That's good.
It's right. Market rebound.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure that we're feeling the same. We are so excited and happy for you if you have been investing as well. If we stick, then that's when you think you can finally see the results of the market kind of going back up again.
Yeah. And being able to invest at those lower rates when the market was down or things were on sale, you're going to really see the benefit of that now as things are starting to trend a little up.
We wanted to give you an overview of what happened. We usually call this the financial what? I don't even remember the financial.
I'm the one on the cold
financial journey summary. By the way, if you want to use the same spreadsheet as we do use it, you can download for free. There is a link that is going to show up on your screen. Feel free to do so. Remember, you got to be in control of your financial situation. 2024 is just around the corner, and we can start, tracking your net worth at the beginning of next year or even go back to this year. So it's up to you. It's on your hands. That's the first one. Now let's talk about what? The results from this month.
Well, month over month, right? Yep. So if we're looking back at last month, October, our assets increased in November by 6.16%. Our liabilities decreased, well, basically didn't decrease, 0.1%. That's just our regular payment on the mortgage.
Yeah.
And the net worth overall increased by 10.77%.
Yes.
Purely the market for the most part.
Yeah. What else do we have? The net worth, the numbers is still above $1 million. So that's that's 6 months in a row, right? So, which is great.
He's happy. It hasn't gone back below 900.
I know. I was, my fingers were crossed.
Well, yeah, second, please.
And year over year, compare the net worth November 2022 with November 2023, we are up now net worth with, I'm going to say that again. And going back to last year in November 2022, our net worth is up 23%.
And the monthly average, so if we look at the whole year across the board, it's up about 1.7% each month.
Yeah, this number, by the way, is since we started tracking our net worth back in August of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's 2020. If not, you can go to our website. We also have a website. There's going to be another link on your screen. If you can go back to the website, you're going to be able to see every single month.
Yeah. And then lastly, we had this goal at the beginning of the year to reach a net worth of $1.3 million. As it stands, we're about 87% of the way there.
Yeah.
As Jan likes to say, probably not going to make it this year, but you never know.
You never know, but I do know. Yeah, two main factors that allowed us to have, a bump of 10%. The first one is the market recovers, and the second one is that we were able to add a little bit of more money as well, and that's what we usually do. We consider ourselves hybrid investors because we invest on dividend stocks, on ETFs, and also on real estate. So basically, all the amounts that we do receive from our dividends, as of today, we reinvest that money. So that's basically...
But that was new capital.
Yeah, and we also added more capital as well. So that's right. We keep investing. We keep learning as we go.
Yeah. And so the question we have for you guys, and we need to get some advice here, is when I retire in April or resign in April, we are going to be receiving a large amount of money. There's going to be a couple of payouts that I'm going to be receiving. And our question for you is, would you lump sum invest that or dollar cost average it in? And what would you ideally put that into? Would it be growth or dividend stocks? We like both. So just a question.
Yeah. Good. That's it. Anything else?
I don't think so.
No.
Is there anything for you?
No. we just hope that you're well and safe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Yeah, take care, guys.
Bye.
Oh, now you're on the wrong side.
Oh, there you go.